Hi, my name's Scott. I'm with Squatch America. So what is Squatch America, you ask?
What is Squatch America?
I'm glad you asked. People ask why you don't see these things every day. People do see them every day, actually. All right, so my final footprint is one of my favorites. This was taken in the Blue Mountains. You're in the Blue Mountains. In fact, this was taken 10 miles that way from where you're at right now. A place called Elk Ridge, just outside of Tollgate, Oregon. This was taken in 1992 by a gentleman by the name of Paul Freeman. What's interesting about this footprint that sets it apart from any others is it was taken in soft silt and sand, and you can see the dermal ridges in the toes. You can actually see the fingerprints. Their bodies are longer than ours. They have shorter legs than we do, longer arms, but their body, their torso, by comparison to ours, is longer. That means they have more intestines than we do. So they can eat rougher foods like lichen, things like that, that they can get nutrition out of that we can't. We also found deer kills.
I got one. So you've probably had this asked before. Why do we not find remains of these?
Okay, the question is, and this is a very common question, why do we not find remains? Anybody in the room, have you ever found out in the woods found the remains of a wolverine? Or a bear? It takes 9 days for the remains of anything to be gone. Occasionally you find skeletons of deer and elk because there's thousands of them, not hundreds. If you get into cougars, bears, wolverines, there's only hundreds of them. We never find the remains of them either because it takes 9 days to stuff be gone. The reason the bones are gone is because pound per pound, the most prevalent animal in the woods eats bones. Do you know what that animal is? This is, by body mass weight, the most prevalent animal out in these woods. A mouse. Hello Bigfoot enthusiasts, this is Scott from Squatch America, and we just got off this train where we did a really fun Bigfoot train tour for the last couple hours. There's the depot, but what I want to see, we're in Elgin, Oregon, and I'm going to turn around slowly here. And if you see those grain growers right there, right across the street from those was where I grew up. 1st through 6th grade right here in Elgin, Oregon at Stella Mayfield Elementary School. I used to live right across the street from there and right across from this train depot, which is really kind of cool. There used to be an old logging train and now they do tours on it, and we just did a Bigfoot tour and we got to talk with Bigfoot with all the people on the train. And did we see a Bigfoot along the way? We may have.